Everybody, welcome to my video. And today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your notification sound or even a smartphone. So let's see, guys, how to do it. Well, the first thing to do, open up your setting first. That is, scroll down here, the option called sound and vibration. Simply tap this on as well. Alright, guys, now I'm going to be tap notification from here. Simply click this on as well. Alright, guys, now I'm going to be tap to install ringtone and the front right here. Tap this on as well. And the three options here, ringtone, alarm, and the notification. Simply just going to tap the notification. That's it, guys. They're going to be all the notification sound going to be here. You can choose anything from here. That's it. But I'm going to be choose like the default range or from here. As you can see, tap this one as well. That's it. So that's a simple process, guys, how to change your notification sound on any kind of smartphone. If you found that this video helpful, don't miss to subscribe my channel and stay with us. See you in the next video, guys.